Hello guys, this is Ron Malcolm, the team leader for Team 2 in the IST 402 gaming class. I'd like to welcome you to the second of our content update videos. This will give you a little idea of what we've done with the textures, materials, and sound effects that you saw in our first update video. So, let's begin. What you see before you is the running executable file for the Abington Campus Tournament 2009. So right now we're at the main menu, and the Play Game tab by default is highlighted. So if you hit up or down on the keyboard or up or down on the D-pad on an Xbox 360 controller, you will be able to navigate these various tabs. So if you notice, if you're at the bottom of the menu and you hit down, like so, it rolls over to the top. Likewise, if you're at the top, it'll switch down to the bottom. What we also have implemented in this version of the program is menu navigation. So if I hit Enter or A on the controller while highlighting the Credits menu tab, I'll go to the credit screen, which includes everyone working on the game. Hit Escape or Back to return to the main menu. Go up to the controller layout, and I can take a look at the layout that we want to have for all of our options. As you can see here, again, return to the main menu. And right now, if I wanted to, I can hit Play Game. Now, this is going to display a static image, which is the picture of Penn State Abington, along with the speedometer, the track layout, all that. This is the same concept layout HUD that you saw in the first video. We still have to work on our actual HUD elements. We have them rendered, we just have to pull them into the game, get them programmed in XNA, and then we'll be able to at least draw an updatable HUD. What you also see is the golf cart model from the first video rendered facing you. Now, with some little keyboard commands, if I press forward or back, the car will come towards you or recede, as well as moving left and right. So this is just a pretty good step forward to what we want to do for getting our game going. So this actual executable, though, was built from one monolithic Game 1 class, which isn't too efficient. So let me exit out of this, and I'll show you the code that we currently have for pulling apart and making the game a little bit more modular. If you notice at the top here, we have a Game 1 class, a menus class, and a sounds class. So we're getting there. We have some nice modules set up, some nice classes broken apart. So let me show you the code that actually controls the menu navigation. If we go to the update method in the menu class, one of the first sections you come to is menu navigation boundaries. So if you notice here, if the selection is 0 and the user presses up, go to selection 3. That affects the rollover. Pretty simple. We also have the code that controls the color of whatever section is highlighted, as well as navigating the tabs, going to the credit screen, going back and forth between menus, and exiting the game. Then in our sounds class, we still have some work to do. We have to pull in some game music, some menu music, and a few more sound effects. But as you'll see down here in our sound enumeration, we have wind, water, horn, driving, enough sounds to get us at least started on our project. And then from each of these classes, in the update method of Game 1, we have a call to sounds, and we have a call to update menu. So this is about what we have so far. It's good to be in touch with you guys again. It's good to see some of you on the Google group. I'd like to see all of you there, so if you can talk to the remaining team members that haven't signed up yet and coax them into joining up, we can get started, get some good coding done, and get to work on this, which is what I'm looking forward to. So, until then, I thank you for your time, look forward to working with you, and I will talk to you guys later.